From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, big changes on the way. After seeing readings in the upper 80s to near 90 this weekend, we're talking 30s tomorrow night. And guess what? 80s will be back by Friday. So it's going to be kind of a whirlwind of a week weather-wise. So let's get into it and show you what the upper level pattern's looking like. We have this anomalously strong upper level low that's in Canada, pushing into the Great Lakes, and that is helping to steer a nice efficient delivery of Canadian air southward. And that's what's going to be chilling us out in this afternoon. Snowflakes flying in the air across portions of Wisconsin, Minnesota, the upper peninsula of Michigan as well, and more snow on the way. Snowflakes reaching the Chicago area, so big change in seasons on the way. Lots of clouds across the area today, some light rain and sprinkles moving across the area. We certainly could use more rain. We'll take what we can get, however. These clouds will gradually thin out later on tonight, and as we head into tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, some high clouds out there, but overall more sunshine on the way. All the precip is now down across the coastal areas as we get down into lower St. Martin Parish and St. Mary Parish. Not seeing a whole lot in any populated area in Acadiana, and those showers will continue to move away from us as we head through the overnight hours. Now, this is hard to believe. Freeze watches for tomorrow night into Wednesday morning for central Louisiana, Avoyelles Parish, and Rapides Parish. And we might see these freeze watches sent down, go down another parish lower, depending on how our guidance comes in over the next 24 hours. This is for tomorrow night. It's just plants and pets. Don't need to worry about the pipes. But look at this cold air as you go farther to the north. Freeze warning certainly for all these areas tonight. Freeze watches for these areas tomorrow night in the lighter shade of blue. So here we go. Fasten your seatbelts. Breezy and cool weather. Temperatures refreshing tomorrow morning. We'll say upper 40s to near 50. And it's going to be breezy as well. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, some high clouds out there. Temperatures top out at about 64 degrees. That's normal for mid-December, not mid-October. And look how dry the air is going to be. Dew points in the 20-degree range, so humidity is going to be 18%, so super dry. This is the time of year you're shuffling your feet through the house and you go to touch a doorknob or something and you get a shock. It's going to be that type of dry weather. And then as we head into Wednesday morning, coldest readings we think of the week as winds die down, temperatures getting down into the mid to upper 30s. And then as we head into Wednesday, still cool, readings in the 60s. And Wednesday night, Thursday morning, still a chilly one, but we might see a quick warm-up going into Thursday afternoon, so not sure if we're going to see 30s or not come Thursday morning. Overnight tonight, though, we'll see temperatures low to mid-40s, northern parishes of Acadiana. And don't forget, there's going to be a bit of a wind chill tomorrow morning, so certainly jackets and sweaters. Mid to upper 40s, I-10 corridor, Lafayette, Lake Charles, one of the warmer spots, and then down along the coast, mid to upper 40s as well, 50 as you get closer to the coast. Then tomorrow's highs in the mid-60s across the board for all of Acadiana. We'll go 65 in Lafayette and mid-60s coastal parishes. And then here's the kicker tomorrow night. Down near freezing, according to our latest data, 32 Opelousas, Ville Platte, Bunkie, Alexandria. This is going to be tough to do because our ground temperatures are so warm. That does impact our air temperatures a bit, but nonetheless, this is why you're going to have to cover the plants and take care of the pets. And for agriculture, this is kind of a big story as well. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, maybe a frost as you get down to the I-10 corridor, and mid-30s across the coastal parishes as well. Certainly you can get a frost when we're forecasting mid-30s. Remember, we're measuring that temperature at 6 feet. What happens down at grass or garden level could be certainly different. And look at this. The average first frost or freeze for Acadiana is anywhere between November 15th and December 5th. So we are more than a month ahead of time on that first frost or freeze if we do indeed see it tomorrow night for northern portions of Acadiana at the very least. So overnight tonight, some high clouds out there, but they'll be thinning out later on tonight. It will be breezy and cooler, 49 the low, but it's going to feel probably lower 40s first thing tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow we'll be back to mostly sunny skies, some high clouds out there from time to time, maybe a cumulus cloud or two, 65 the projected high. Normal high this time of year should be about 81. Normal lows should be about the upper 50s to lower 60s. So certainly quite unseasonably chilly weather as we move forward. Getting into Thursday, back into the 70s. Yeah, we still have 30s going into Thursday morning. Light frost or freeze possible there. And then temperatures warm quickly into the weekend and for the Rice Festival as well, where we'll have highs in the 80s and lows closer to the upper 50s to lower 60s. So don't see another cool air plunge like this in quite some time. And going back, looking at the records, and I'm just going on memory, I can remember a Halloween where we had temperatures near freezing, but not in mid-October. That's awfully early.
A little early, yeah. I always think Rice Festival is like a cool front, kind of feeling it
you got
for
a
the
cool
first
front
time.
this time around.
I'll say, yeah, downright chilly. All right. Thanks, Rob.